Eliminate duplication of part numbers and orphan parts. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides an innovative method to generate CAD/ERP part numbers based on complete CAD part parameters. As Global Edge analyzes CAD parts and stores the parameters, it then creates a data link that makes automated part number generation viable to identify similar existing parts based on CAD part parameters. This includes the definition of part numbering rules that searches for existing similar parts before new, unique parts are generated. This includes both fully smart part numbering rules, and quasi-smart part numbering rules to help eliminate duplicate and orphan part numbers. Global Edge Engineering Assistant eliminates duplication of part numbers and information with automated part number generation that establishes a single version of truth data warehouse. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.